Good morning, my name is Dr. Olasz Harken and I'm the creator of Harken Derm's Ultimate Shield Sunscreen. This morning I'd like to show you how to apply this sunscreen. It was created originally for sailors in mind, so it has 100% mineral filter, so it doesn't hurt you or harm the marine environment. It also formulated as a fairly thick formula, meaning it will not drop accidentally on your boat surface or surfboard, won't stain it or make it slippery. So 1 to 2 pea sizes are enough to cover your entire face and neck. I suggest to put it in your fingertips, rub against, and then start to apply it everywhere. It comes off fairly white at the beginning, which I really like because it can show you where you skipped areas, which is very common for people who are applying sunscreen. You have to work really quickly because the formulation is quick drying, film forming, meaning once it's applied it won't move at all, so it will not run into your eyes, and it's super sweat and water resistant. Once it is evenly distributed, it blends in perfectly with the skin and leaves it covered with a hydrated matte finish. I guarantee this sunscreen with SPF 50, 80-minute water resistance will cover you in the toughest conditions.